Welcome back to Tony the Yogi's Vegan Kitchen. Today we'll be making 3-ingredient guiltless brownies. First, to start off with 6 bananas, some cocoa powder, I chose Hershey's, but any brand is fine, and some organic peanut butter. Alright, let's begin. We'll start off by tossing the bananas in the Vitamix. You want to break them in half so they're easier to blend down. I prefer organic bananas, but you know, I'm organic and you are what you eat. Next, we have the cocoa powder. You're going to want a half a cup, but a little extra cocoa never hurt anybody. By the way, the cocoa is unsweetened. The only sweeteners in this mix are going to be the bananas and a little bit of sugar that's already in the peanut butter. And there we go, that looks good. Next, we're going to add a full cup of peanut butter, and it's organic, so the oil is sitting at the top, so it's going to take a little bit to mix it around. Look at me making a mess. Once we got the peanut butter all measured out, we're ready to pop it in the Vitamix, and we're good to go. Time to blend it up. Vitamixes are my favorite. They're so powerful. Almost as powerful as my ego. And I'm a Leo, so that's saying something. Oh yeah, that's looking good. You're gonna want to have preheated your oven to about 350. And to avoid using any extra oils or butter or anything like that, some baking paper works great. Now the pan I used is 8x5, and it takes about 20 minutes to cook. But see, the key is pulling it out and allowing it to sit for about another 20 minutes. By now the oven should be nice and preheated for us. Look at that, that's perfect. Time to start cleaning up. You really shouldn't open the oven too often, but that just looks amazing. If 2 vegans are fighting, do they still call it beef? It should be done. Oh, take a look at that. Now we just have to let it sit for about 20 to 40 minutes, and it should be good to go. If you've enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks for stopping by Tony the Yogi's Vegan Kitchen.